tasty aash recipe. 1 bunch of spinach, 1 bunch of leek, 1 bunch of coriander. First cook the leek for 10 minutes. Then add the spinach. Now add the coriander and cook for 5 minutes. One cup of lentil. Water as needed. Let it be cooked. 1 cup of oil. 2 large onions. 1 tablespoon tomato paste. 1 tablespoon cummin seed powder. 1 tablespoon turmeric powder. 1 tablespoon black pepper. 2 tablespoons salt. Three cups of bean. 2 cups of pea. 2 pockets of aash. Cook it for 8 to 10 minutes. Now it is ready. Enjoy yourself!